Let's look at the dog plus eagle hybrid. Let's look at the tiger plus shark hybrid. Let's look at the T-Rex plus wolf hybrid. Let's look at the mammoth plus turtle hybrid. Let's look at the bull plus polar bear hybrid.